Hi everyone. In this video I want to go over the winter 2018/19 syllabus for the online General Chemistry 1 class. This is going to be taught by Professor New. My name is Colin and I'm going to help him out make some of these videos. So this is basically what I want to do is briefly go over the syllabus, give you an idea of how the course goes. The Aleks course code has been updated, so you can sign up for Aleks at any time at this point. And the main thing that I want to tell you right up front is this course goes fast. So we're going to cover all of General Chemistry, 10 chapters, and we're going to cover it in the next 4 weeks, starting this Thursday, which is December 20th. We do try to give you a little bit of break for Christmas and New Year's, but with the exception of Christmas Day, maybe Christmas Eve and New Year's Day, and maybe even part of New Year's Eve, you're going to have to be working. You're going to need to expect to work on this almost every day. So this is a very intensive course. It covers all the regular material. So what I want to do is I want to go over these the syllabus relatively briefly to give you an idea of how the course is going to go, and then they'll give you some other videos that you can watch that'll show you like how to use Aleks, how to sign up for Aleks and all this kind of stuff. And some of it's self-explanatory, although I would recommend watching the video on how to use Aleks, because there are videos that are available to help you do Aleks topics where I actually solve a problem similar to the problem that you're solving on a video, which can be helpful. The Aleks tutorials are helpful for reading, but if that's not working for you, sometimes the videos are very helpful. So basically that's what we've got for you. So the first thing is the textbook. The textbook is online, and it's courses, lumenlearning.com, SUNY-Albany-Chemistry. And I'm going to send you this link in an email, and this is how you can find everything, including this video, which is under course syllabus and schedule. So if you can watch this video here. You probably already found this if you're watching this video, so I'm not going to talk about that too much. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. I meant to click this. So textbook is that. Learning objectives, this is general chemistry. Okay, we are basically going to learn general chemistry material. The key to success in this class is to do the work. So watch the videos, the lectures, and do the Aleks homework. So speaking of video lectures, you'll see that they start with each chapter. At the beginning of each chapter, you'll find the notes, so you can just download the PDF. Then for each section, you'll find a video that gives you an idea of how to do the material in that chapter. So this video covers all of this stuff. Sometimes it's a little bit of stuff, sometimes it's a lot of stuff. And this works all the way up through chapter 10. You won't be able to see as much stuff here in chapters, in the further chapters. I'm logged in as the administrator here, so I can see a little more than you can see. But at the first one, you can download the lecture notes. In this case, you can also download a periodic table. And then for each individual section, you will find a video. That's kind of how the book works. Okay, so that's what you want to do. We have normal academic honesty and stuff like that. There is no lab component in the winter time. That's a separate course. If you would like to take that, that's Chemistry 124. So the lecture schedule, I will go over in a minute. The other thing I want to go over briefly is Aleks, and Aleks is what we use as an online homework. And Aleks is a smart learning program where it kind of adapts to your homework based on where it feels your current level is. It's not perfect, but it is pretty good. So you are going to want to make sure you stay on top of Aleks. The first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself an Aleks code, an Aleks account. And unfortunately, there is a fee for that. So when you do that, if you go to how to register for Aleks, this is our course code. You're going to need this when you sign up. And if you watch this video, we give you step-by-step instructions of how to sign up for Aleks. So this is the winter 2019 class code. And you should use your UAlbany ID number when you register for Aleks. And if you click here, it'll take you right to that link. And here you can watch a video on how to do that. This video is using Aleks, which gives you some tips and tricks of how to use Aleks. It's 4 minutes and 28 seconds. It is worth 4 minutes and 28 seconds of your time. You may learn some things here that will save you far more than this amount of time in the long run. So I strongly recommend you use this video. You can sign up for Aleks and start on Aleks as soon as you like. Okay, you could do it today if you wanted to. So this is basically what you're going to see. You're not going to see these two things, so don't worry about them. Okay, so that's Aleks in a nutshell. Exams. There are 2 exams. The midterm's on January 7th. The final exam is on January 17th. If you've already made arrangements with Professor Due to take the exam at some different location or different time, that applies. If not, the exams will be given on this campus. Okay? We'll let you know where that's going to be as the exams come up. We'll send you an email about that. So that is basically that. How's your grade determined? 30% of your grade is Aleks. You have to do the Aleks. That's what's going to help you practice this stuff. Chemistry takes practice, so it's really important that you practice, and you're going to get 30% of your grade for doing that practice. Some of the topics on Aleks are relatively easy, others are challenging and may take you a little while. The key is persistence. Work on it a little bit every day. This is not to say you should have 4-hour marathon sessions, every single day. But if you can work on it for an hour or 2, take a break, do something else, work on it for another hour or 2, and work your way through it, you're going to be in good shape. The midterm exam is 35% of your grade. The final exam is 35% of your grade. So that's basically that. Here are the Aleks due dates, or the approximate course schedule. Really importantly to remember is you need to get through the first 5 chapters by January 7th, because that's when your midterm is, and it's on chapters 1 through 5. Then the final exam is on chapters 6 through 9. It is not cumulative, but you have from basically January 7th until January 17th to get through chapters 6 through 9, and you can see the due dates on Aleks here. So this is basically how it works. All of the chapters, as I mentioned before, are here. At the beginning of each one, you have a video. At the very beginning, the very first one of each section, you can download those lecture notes. These are designed to help you do the Aleks. It is a very good idea to watch the videos for these sections first, then try to do the Aleks. The Aleks will make a lot more sense. In the videos that you're going to find on Aleks, it's simply going over a problem, what equation to use, how to plug the numbers in, and stuff like that. The context of why you're doing it that way, and why the concept, the underlying principles that are going on, that's you're going to find in the lecture notes. So this is like a lecture, just like if you had an in-person lecture, and then Aleks is like the homework you'd get at the end of the lecture. Approaching the course in this way will be very helpful. Final thing that I want to tell you is we're here to help. So if you want to send me an email, I'm going to email you, so you'll have my email address. And if there's anything I can do to help you, please let me know. And that's basically that. So I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I welcome you to ACAM 120 this winter. We are happy to have you, and I look forward to working with you in this course. All right. Enjoy.